Hello everybody and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Welcome to the world of modern kitchens, where innovation meets aesthetics. The kitchen has transformed from a functional cooking space to the heart of the home, a place for creativity, connection, and comfort. In 2025, the latest design trends take this evolution even further, blending cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and bold personal expression. From eco-friendly materials to sleek, smart appliances, these trends are redefining how we think about kitchens. Whether you're renovating, building, or just dreaming, this video will inspire you with fresh ideas to create a kitchen that's both stunning and practical. The all-white kitchen is making way for vibrant and daring color choices in 2025. Homeowners are embracing bold hues to make their kitchens feel more dynamic and personal. Imagine deep navy cabinets paired with gold hardware or forest green islands that bring a sense of nature indoors. Rich jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red are particularly popular, adding a luxurious touch. For a softer, more modern look, warm terracotta and burnt orange shades are also making a statement, especially when paired with natural materials like wood and stone. To balance these bold colors, many designers are incorporating neutral tones on walls or countertops, ensuring the overall look feels cohesive. This trend is all about creating a kitchen that stands out and reflects your personality, making it a centerpiece of your home. Whether you're daring enough to go all in or prefer a subtle pop of color, 2025 is the year to step away from the neutral zone and let your kitchen shine. Sustainability has taken center stage in kitchen design, with eco-conscious homeowners opting for materials that are both beautiful and environmentally friendly. Recycled glass countertops are gaining traction, offering a unique blend of vibrant colors and durability. Similarly, bamboo cabinets provide a sleek, modern look while being one of the most sustainable options available. In addition to materials, the focus is shifting towards energy-efficient appliances that reduce carbon footprints without compromising on functionality. Smart refrigerators with energy-saving modes and induction cooktops that consume less energy are becoming household staples. Even smaller details, like water-saving faucets or LED lighting, are making a big impact. Designers are blending these features seamlessly into the kitchen, creating spaces that not only look stunning but also contribute to a greener planet. Sustainable kitchens are about more than just the materials. They reflect a commitment to a lifestyle that values the planet. In 2025, eco-friendly doesn't mean sacrificing style. It's about making thoughtful choices that are as good for your home as they are for the environment. Technology continues to revolutionize the modern kitchen, making it smarter, more efficient, and incredibly convenient. In 2025, kitchens are stepping into the future with innovative appliances and features that seamlessly integrate into daily life. Imagine a refrigerator that sends you reminders to restock your groceries, or an oven that adjusts cooking times automatically based on the recipe. Voice-activated faucets are also trending, allowing you to control water flow without even touching the tap, perfect for multitasking while cooking. Smart lighting systems are another highlight, enabling you to adjust brightness and color tones to suit your mood or time of day. Additionally, Wi-Fi-enabled coffee makers and dishwashers can be controlled remotely, making your morning routine or cleanup easier than ever. This wave of technology isn't just about convenience, it's about creating a more personalized kitchen experience. With these smart features, your kitchen becomes more than a cooking space, it evolves into a hub of innovation tailored to your lifestyle. Twenty 2025 is all about breaking the rules and mixing materials to create kitchens that feel layered, dynamic, and unique. Instead of sticking to a single finish or texture, designers are blending contrasting elements to add depth and character to the space. Picture a sleek marble countertop paired with warm wooden cabinetry, or a brushed metal backsplash combined with natural stone flooring. Even smaller details, like pairing matte black fixtures with polished brass handles, can create a striking contrast that elevates the overall design. The beauty of this trend lies in its flexibility. It encourages creativity and personalization. For example, mixing wood grains or combining smooth surfaces with rough textures can reflect both modern and rustic influences in the same space. This approach isn't just about aesthetics, it's also practical. By using different materials strategically, you can highlight specific areas of your kitchen, like a statement island or a dramatic backsplash. The result? A space that feels intentional, inviting, and undeniably stylish. The kitchen island has evolved far beyond being just a prep space. In 2025, multipurpose kitchen islands are taking center stage, serving as the ultimate hub for cooking, dining, working, and socializing. These islands are designed to maximize functionality while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Picture an island with built-in shelving for cookbooks, hidden storage for kitchen gadgets, and integrated appliances like wine coolers or microwave drawers. Some even include pop-up outlets for charging devices, making them perfect for work-from-home setups or helping kids with homework. But it's not just about utility, design plays a huge role here. Many islands are incorporating bold materials, like waterfall edge marble, mixed with warm wood accents for a striking visual impact. And for larger spaces, double-tiered islands are becoming a trend, offering distinct zones for different activities, such as cooking on one side and dining or entertaining on the other. In 2025, the kitchen island isn't just a feature, it's the heart of the kitchen, designed to adapt to your lifestyle and bring everyone together in one versatile space. In 2025, kitchens are embracing the trend of open shelving and curated display spaces, blending functionality with a personal touch. Instead of hiding everything behind closed cabinets, homeowners are showcasing their favorite pieces to add character and warmth to their kitchens. Imagine open wooden shelves lined with beautifully arranged ceramic dishes, glassware, or even vintage cookware. This approach allows you to highlight unique items that reflect your style, whether it's hand-thrown pottery, colorful spice jars, or lush potted herbs that bring a bit of greenery indoors. Glass front cabinets are another popular option, offering the openness of shelving while keeping your items protected. Combined with strategic lighting, these displays can become a design focal point, especially when showcasing statement pieces like artisanal serving trays or textured glassware. This trend isn't just about aesthetics, it's about practicality, too. By keeping your most used items within easy reach, open shelving makes your kitchen more efficient while maintaining a clean, organized look. In 2025, these display spaces add a touch of individuality and charm to any modern kitchen. Large format tiles are redefining kitchen aesthetics in 2025, offering a sleek and seamless look that adds a sense of spaciousness and sophistication. These oversized tiles, whether used for flooring, backsplashes, or even wall cladding, minimize grout lines, creating a clean and modern appearance. In flooring, large tiles in neutral tones like beige, gray, or stone-inspired patterns can make smaller kitchens feel more expansive. For backsplashes, glossy large tiles in bold colors or marble finishes are making a statement, elevating the overall design while being easy to clean. Another advantage is their versatility. Large tiles come in various textures and finishes, from matte to polished, allowing homeowners to customize their kitchens to match any style, from contemporary minimalism to rustic charm. And because there are fewer grout lines, they're also a practical choice, requiring less maintenance and staying cleaner over time. Incorporating large format tiles into your kitchen design is a simple yet impactful way to achieve a modern, high-end look while enhancing functionality and comfort. The kitchen trends of 2025 are all about blending innovation with style. From bold color choices and sustainable materials to smart technology and multifunctional spaces, these trends reflect the growing demand for kitchens that are both practical and visually striking. Embracing these trends allows homeowners to create a space that's not only efficient but also personalized, elevating the kitchen to its rightful place as the heart of the home. By incorporating elements like large format tiles, natural light, and custom display spaces, you can create a kitchen that meets both your aesthetic and functional needs. As design continues to evolve, these modern trends offer endless possibilities to enhance the value and enjoyment of your space for years to come. Thank you for watching. For more expert insights and the latest design trends, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors. Stay tuned for more in-depth design ideas to help you create your dream kitchen.